Hey, check out this handy hobby stand here. It's really a light aluminum, really cool red finish to it. Make sure it's centered up in here, and it can swivel. It can swivel around. I'll just kind of show you this spring in here if you needed to elevate it a little bit. It was made for RC cars, but we were thinking, well, put a breadboard project down here if you needed to see it from different angles or get to the different side of the board. I don't know. Spin some things around. Has a ruler in here. I guess a channel in here for, probably a car part, maybe the transmission, whatnot. Just kind of a neat thing. I thought maybe you guys would be interested in something like this. All right.